What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Hustlepedia. Today we are going over the major correction that is going on ADAX in the markets right now, why that was, and kind of the implications going forward on ADAX. And I'm going to show you just why up front we talked about ADAX. This is a long-term play. This is a long-term hold that will have growth potential over the long haul as the Cardano ecosystem forms. And it has gone down substantially over the last few days, and we're going to go over why that's natural and kind of just other projects that went through the exact same thing on launch, and we'll show you the comparison on that as well. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the like button if you enjoy the video. So obviously, we take a look at ADAX, much lower prices over this weekend, as not only is there a lot of FUD going around on the Cardano ecosystem, just a lot of these projects are being exposed as potential scams in these markets, like Solanax, for example, YaySwap. Very questionable teams behind those. If you look at Solanax, for example, guys, if you look up some of these people, I'm just going to tell you right now, they're not real. So that's concerning. That is very concerning. One thing about ADAX is you can look up all these people and they all have backgrounds. They all have actual work done in the industry, and including Mate Toke, the co-founder of Bitcoin.com, one of Roger Ver's right-hand men. So we'll talk about that in a second. But I want to go over the correction first, guys. The price is obviously tanked. There was a 90-day lockup of funds after the initial offering was the initial private offering. So anyone who got in first at the initial private offering was able to sell off their coins. And so obviously there is a major correction in the market. A lot of whales are probably moving their ADAX, taking some profits off the board, which is absolutely natural. And you look, 26 cents was the opening price for ADAX. We're still sitting right at about, right above 400% total returns since the initial offering here, about a little over $1.10. You take a look here, the natural correction, guys, that is not unnatural. That is not unnatural at all. And I want to compare it to a couple different charts on a couple different similar projects. A lot of people are calling ADAX the Uniswap of Cardano, the future Uniswap of Cardano. And let's just take a look at their all-time chart here. And I want to show you a dip. So obviously we see here in May, we get prices up to 43. We literally have a 50% correction there. All right. We have a 40% or so correction here. These are not unnatural things to see happen, and I just need to point that out. And let's go even to the initial offer, guys. $7.72 tanks down to $3.80, basically a 50% drop again, and that is on initial offering. This is natural, guys. This movement that you're seeing, let's go to PancakeSwap. Their whole entirety chart, the first initial surge, they get up here to, what is it, $19.69, all the way down to $9.23. So this is all natural, guys. The markets will go down. You see a huge correction here, over 50% correction here. There are corrections in the crypto market, and you cannot just expect every day for ADAX to be surging, especially amid all the FUD going on with Cardano, guys. A lot of people are saying that, obviously, concerns to do with Cardano smart contracts being able to handle multiple agents hit boiling point. So a lot of people think that the Cardano smart contracts are not ready. A lot of developers have been really creating some FUD around the release of the platform here in just a few days. And it's going to be interesting to see. But as we know, the IOHK has shut down the Cardano FUD. So if you want to catch up on this, you can check it out here. Basically, to be clear, dApps are not limited to one transaction per block. Kind of just going over how the Plutus implementation is going to go with the new Alonzo hard fork. And we'll be obviously keeping our eyes on this, because Cardano for the meantime, guys, let's check out where it is right now. I believe it is going down amidst a market of a lot of risers until now for today. A lot of risers. And let's take a look at Cardano, and you see it has not been looking good for Cardano this week. It's really been, ever since it hit these highs here, it's really been downhill amidst all the FUD around the corner with the smart contract implementation. So it's not ironic that ADAX is down as well, guys. And there's that initial sell-off. There's nothing to worry about, guys, in my opinion. This is still in my portfolio, and it's a long-term hold for me. This is not anything to worry about. It's a natural correction after what was a 600+% pump, guys. 600+% from here, from here to here. So you just have to remember that, and be sure to keep a level head in these markets as the Cardano smart contracts unroll and ADAX is actually able to release their platform. Things are only going to start looking up as well. So I just want to point that out, and I just want to vet for the team. As we all know, Roger Ver and Mate Toke, Bitcoin.com associates, and Roger Ver, the Bitcoin Jesus, so-called, as every article calls him that. He's been in support and an early investor in stuff like Bitcoin.com, Kraken, Ripple, Blockchain.com, BitPay, stuff like that. So he has a ton of Bitcoin experience and blockchain experience. And I think that these guys are not going to back a team they don't believe in. They have been showing face on like Cardano with Paul on a bunch of different interviews. Dovidus is doing a very good job on that. And Hans, a developer, keeps the Reddit page updated consistently. This is just a natural pullback. I really believe that, and this is still a small part of my portfolio that I really hope grows into a large part down the line, guys. But it is firmly still in my portfolio. Nothing to worry about, and it is a natural correction, guys. I will talk to y'all on tomorrow's video. I had to get this emergency video out just to go over why the price is going down and just the implications and how all these projects go down after an initial pump. So nothing to worry about amidst the smart contract implementation and all the FUD going around. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed, and like the video if you enjoyed the video. I will be back tomorrow with another video. Peace.